So my job is kind of tough because people were showing like cool UIs, some robots, moving desks, and I'm going to talk about 100 lines of bash script. So what can go wrong? Just to make sure that you can appreciate what I did, some background. So imagine you're a new developer, you get a new Mac, it's your first day, what do? So you have to install something like Xcode, then you have to install something like Brew, and then you have to install all your languages, packages. You know what we need to install. But then there are GUI apps, right? And every time you drag this icon from this thing on the right-hand side to the applications folder, God kills a kitten. So you shouldn't do that. Never. But you may say, OK, everything is in the cloud nowadays. No, it's not, because you still have to install Chrome and Firefox and Spotify and Skype, yada, yada, yada. And it takes time. How many JavaScript developers do we have here? No. A few. OK, so what is Bower? Bower is the package manager, right? How do you install Bower? With npm. But here's the question, what is npm? Oh, it's a package manager, right? How do we install npm? With Brew. What is Brew? Oh, package manager. You see, it's all madness. It's all madness. And there's a reason why companies like GitHub create tools like Boxen that allow you to install like everything on your Mac with one command. But the problem with Boxen is that it's written with Puppet. And Puppet is complicated, and it doesn't fit in my head. Maybe it fits in yours. It doesn't fit in mine. So I decided I'm going to create something similar with Bash and Ansible. I want to keep it small. And here it is, Instamac. Basically, one script to rule them all. So let's see what it is. So this is a new Mac, and it's been refurbished, and it can like explode any time. System preferences. Exciting. Please don't explode now. OK, good. So basically, this one command. So when you're a new guy on my team, you get one shell script, 50 lines of code. You run it, and you've got like, you put your sudo password, and it installs like everything. I've already pre-installed everything, so it will be really, really fast. But just to show you one real-world example where it may be helpful and how the end-to-end workflow works. So I run some Node.js app on the right-hand side, and you see it complains. Can you guys see what it is? Like Redis connection, blah, 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 no Redis. So I want to install Redis, right? So I'm going to go to GitHub. And this is how my tool works. You have this list of things you want to have on your MacBook. And we want to add Redis, right? So we just edit this file. We can do it directly in GitHub. So I'm going to add Redis here. I'm going to commit to this file somewhere at the bottom. Yeah. And now I can run my script again here. It asks me for a password. Here it is. It should install Redis. Now I'm going to run Redis server. It starts. I run my app again. And it shouldn't complain about missing Redis anymore. And it doesn't. Yeah, so this is basically like 50 lines of bash script. And you are all set up in 2 hours. Because the only constraint is like your network, your bandwidth. So that's it. Thank you.